Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to apply for Indeed jobs on your phone. First of all, open the Indeed job apps on your phone. From here you have to select Find Jobs. A search bar will open. You have to search the job title on the search bar. For example, I will search video editing. Click on it. Now you will see a bunch of jobs that have been posted on this page. You can select any job that you want. For example, I will select this job on top and click on Apply Now. On this page, you have to fill in your first name, your last name, your phone number, your city, your state, and then click on Continue. On this next page, you have to upload your resume. Click on it. Your file manager will open. You have to upload your resume from here, and after that, click on Continue. You can tell more about your job title and your company, or you can also leave it because it's an optional question. You can click on Continue. It will ask you some relevant questions and you have to click on the appropriate answers and then click on Continue. It will show you an overview before submitting your resume. You can review your information and after that you can scroll down and submit your application. And that's how to apply for Indeed jobs on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.